The customer is in the advertising industry, and the material to be welded is 0.5 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters galvanized. The requirements for welding are spot welding and self-fusion welding. During the welding process, the galvanized is rapidly vaporized, and a large amount of vapor is formed, resulting in weld seams that are prone to porosity, slagging, and other defects, which affects the quality of the weld. Strongest, Laser's handheld welding machines offer high welding speeds and effectively reduce the generation of galvanizing vapors.